All right, this is section 3, and I asked you guys to stay on today to kind of go over these with us. If you did not, we'll just kind of catch you up as we go along here. Oops, those are supposed to be giant parentheses. But we are going to take these and figure out how to do this. We're not working to these yet, so if you missed the warm-up, I would go through the notes and then go back and look at them and see if it helps. So basically, this first section about logs is just getting you to understand how to rewrite them into different forms and how to do basic ones. So that's basically what you're doing right now, is just learning to rewrite and learning to write it in the correct form. So this wants it in exponential form. So like I was saying earlier, the base on the log is the base on the exponent. What a log finds for you is the exponent, and then that's what it equals. So when you rewrite it, this is saying the log base 3 of 9 equals 2. Well, that's true because 3 squared is 9. Okay, and so that's how you would rewrite it in exponential form. Okay, so you would do something like this. So the base on the log is the base on your exponent. What your log is equal to is the exponent, and it equals what's inside the log. So 10 to the negative 2 equals 1/100th. So it's writing it in exponential form. Okay, so go ahead and practice this one. Pause and practice it. Okay, so the base on the log is 2, so that's the base on the exponent. My exponent's 3. 2 to the third is 8. So now you have to understand that I'm going to expect you know where all of this goes. So this is the one they love to put on the ACT because they are testing your knowledge of math, not really how well you can use your calculator. So they'll give you something like this and say put it in log form. Well, the base on the log is the base on your exponent. What the log is equal to is your exponent. And then that's what is inside. So you should be able to write anything between log form and exponential form. Okay. So if I try this one, pause. So this would be 3 to the negative 2 equals 1/9. So the base on the log, that's the exponent, and inside is what you want it to equal. All right, so now they're going to go the other direction. They're going to give you something in exponential, and you're going to have to rewrite it. So this would be the log base 5. You're looking for the exponent on 5 that gives you 125. Well, that answer is 3. And so that's how you read these. The log is the base, and what you're finding is what you want to get using this as the exponent. Okay, so if I write this in log form, I'm saying what's the exponent on 27 that will give you 3? Well, the exponent is 1/3. So you can have all kinds of things inside of their logs. You can have like 27 is definitely bigger, so that's where you get the 1/3 because the cubed root of 27 is 3. Okay, so go ahead and do this. Hit pause and do this problem. So my answer would be the log base 3. What's the exponent on 3 that gives me 81? Well, the exponent is 4. So I rewrite this. And here's another practice. So rewrite this one. The log base 81 of 9 is 1/2. Okay, and so you might even get something ACT-wise where they say like x to the y equals a. So you're saying the log base x of a gives you y. So you have to be able to write back and forth between these. Okay, and this is the next thing. So if you think about this, you're looking for the exponent on 3 that will give you 81. Well, that's 4. And that's one of the reasons I've made you guys memorize these exponents, because you're going to be expected to recognize some of these simpler ones. So you can check this on your calculator, the log base 3 of 81, hit enter. It should give you 4, but you should know by now there is no way I'd let you have a calculator on this question of the test. So you have to know how to find this without a calculator. Okay, same thing on example 6. What is the exponent on 10 that will give us 1,000? Well, isn't it 3? And you can check it. Do the log base 10 of 1,000 on your calculator. It will give you 3. That isn't one I asked you to memorize, so if you have to use your calculator to help you with it, that's fine. But all of these on the calculator would be on the no calculator part of the test, and they would be ones I asked you to memorize. And so that is your homework.